How to start trading Bitcoin 2023. Are you looking for content that introduces you to the basics of cryptocurrency trading for beginners? In this article, you will learn how to trade cryptocurrencies step by step through the explanation how to start trading Bitcoin 2023 inches the following lines. We will mention how to start trading Bitcoin 2023. Steps to trading Bitcoin 2023. First step. Choose a trading platform to be able to trade Bitcoin or any other digital currency. You will need a strong and reputable platform, broker. The powerful and most stable platform allows you to invest not only in Bitcoin but in other most popular cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Dashcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and others. Best cryptocurrencies for investment. Second step, open a trading account. After choosing a trading broker, you will have to register and choose the type of account you wish to trade with that suits your specific requirements. When you open a real trading account, you have to go through 3 simple and easy steps. 1. Fill out the account opening form. 2. Proof of identity and account activation. 3. Funding the account by depositing via a Visa card or bank transfer. Step 3. Open your first trades, then you download the trading platform to the device used for trading, be it a computer or a phone. After that, you can start trading Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrencies supported by your chosen broker. Best Bitcoin trading platforms. How to start trading Bitcoin 2023. How do I get into Bitcoin? Choosing the best cryptocurrency broker is not easy. Do you find yourself drowning while searching among hundreds of ads and dozens of platforms promising you the best cryptocurrency trading experience, greatest chance to make great profits? How to trade Bitcoin easily? Do not worry. Below we will introduce you to some of the things to consider when choosing a currency trading platform. How do I find the best brokers for cryptocurrency trading? How do I start trading Bitcoin? To find the best brokers for cryptocurrency trading, our team of experts has developed a rigorous review methodology based on many years of experience. Our unique approach includes a 200-point analysis across 10 major categories for each broker. We look at everything from the licensing and reputation of the broker to the quality of the educational materials they offer and the fees they charge. Of course, not every category has the same weight for a great trading experience, which is why we assign each category a different level of importance when calculating the bottom line. For example, licensing and regulation contribute much more to the outcome than educational materials. When analyzing brokers for cryptocurrency trading, we also look at the features that are important to you as a trader in Bitcoin and its siblings, such as extensive cryptocurrency pairs and diverse trading options. The best brokers that offer you a variety of Bitcoin and fraternity trading options, such as the ability to trade cryptocurrencies against other cryptocurrencies, such as BTC/XRP, cryptocurrencies against traditional currencies, such as BTC/USD, and cryptocurrencies against commodities, such as BTC/gold. Our top brokers also allow you to trade CFDs for cryptocurrencies, and they also provide the option to actually own and hold cryptocurrencies, where you will be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at a later time.